Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today is a bonus video. I will show you how to create a post video. So let's start coding, and first thing, let's go to our service and create a new file. It will be a Swift file. Let's call it video uploader. Okay, perfect. And here let's create a struct. Let's call it video uploader. Okay, we won't be working on it on this video. We will be in the next video hopefully. But for this video, let's go to our create post view. And first thing, let's import avkit because we will need it. Then let's go and see this one. You see this button, we don't need it to be a button anymore. It will be a photo picker with selection and matching. And I made a mistake. It's this way, photo picker with selection and matching. It will be this one. Okay, for the label, I will take my image, this image, and I will place it here. I don't need this button anymore. For matching, I will have dot any of, and here as you can see it's an array, so dot video and dot, I think not any, or I'm not sure, I think dot not, yes, dot not, and it will be dot images. Okay, perfect. For binding, it's something that should be okay. I need also, I think, to import photo UI. Okay, perfect. For the binding, as we did for the image, we will go to our view model, and here we will create at published. At published, oh, I forgot the at, var selected video of type photo picker item, which is optional. It's very similar to the one with the image. Okay, let's have a did set for now. Let's keep it empty. And as you can see, the main difference is let's call ours first our dot selected view model dot selected video. And the main difference, as you can see, when we do the matching and we choose dot video and not images, that way in our simulator it will display only the video. We will test we will put our theory into practice very soon. We will test it with the simulator, but first we got a few things to do here. Okay, the first one will be, as you can see, we have here create post image. We will have at published var create post or create a video URL, and it will be a URL that is optional. Okay, you will understand the reason behind it really soon when we go to work on it. After our admin actor, you see this one, we will have another admin actor, and it will be function load video. No need to pass from item, we can work with it without passing it as a parameter, async throws. Okay, we will have guard let item equal. Okay, we are passing the, I think, equal selected video, else return. For this one we will get the same one, it's guard let data equal try wait. Okay, and we will call our load video. Here I will call task try wait load video. Okay, let's show you that we can only pick a video first, then I will show you the problem that we will be facing and how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, if I go now to what's on your mind, and here if I click on this one, as you can see, I got access to only videos. As you can see, it's 2 videos. And if some of you are wondering first how we can have videos in the simulator, maybe some of you don't have any videos, it's simple. You just need to drag and drop. You get a video, you drag and drop it here, and as you can see, it will be added to your video. So just drag and drop. If you are wondering a good place where you can find short videos with whom you can work, I suggest this website, pixabay.com. I will leave the link in the description. You got a lot of free video you can download and work with them. Okay, so anyway, now the real problem, as you can see, let's say I select an image or a video, I'm sorry. The problem is how to display our video here. Maybe some of you will say, okay, let me show you what many of you will be probably saying. We are already displaying the image, so in the place where we are displaying the image, we can do the same way we have been doing all this video. It's to place it inside the Z stack and place a video. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. Apologize, just I need to find, okay, this one, so it will be a Z stack. Okay, and inside this V stack I will have view model.create post image, and on top of it I can have I can have the video. Okay, and I can probably make a test. So for example, if let I think let me check, it's view mod or before the if let me check what I call it, view model.create video URL. So let's make it if let create video URL equal view model dot create video URL. In that case, I can display a video. So I can take this and here I can I think let me just check how to display. Yes, a video player, and here it will be AV player with a URL, and here I give him create video URL and give him the same modifiers, just scale to fill. I will delete it from here. I don't need clip it, and I will place scale to fill here. Okay, if I do it this way, there will be a little problem. Is, as you can know, this video player is taking a URL. I need to get this URL, and to get a valid URL I need to be able to save my file in a, at least in a temporary file in a directory that I can access to that has a valid URL. Then of course once I'm done with it, if I decide to leave or to upload the post, then I need to clean up this video file. To do so, I will show you how I will do it. I will create I will add in my view model a new file, a new function. It will be a private func. I will call it save data to temporary directory, because whatever we need to get the URL from the data. That's why we will pass the data, and there we will receive a URL. Okay, perfect. Here I can do and try and catch. In the catch I can have a fatal error with a message, failed to save video to temporary directory, and I will display the error. And here it will be let file URL equal URL with I think with file URL with okay, this one I think file URL with path, and I will give him ns temporary directory. And to be clear, this is a code I don't know, to be honest. I'm copying it in if I was working on an app, I would be just copying and paste it. You don't need to know it. It's not something you will work with it every day. So appending path component, it will be video.mp4. All you need to know is that we will be saving okay, it will be I think this is the problem. Okay, I place it inside. Okay, I don't need this one. I think I go to parentheses. Okay, let me check. I think there is something wrong. I don't know why. So it will be URL file URL with path. It will be ns temporary directory, and all these it will be dot appending path component. It will be video dot mp4, and without the conforming. Okay, then try data dot write to file URL, and I will return the file URL. Okay, I think perfect. I also, as you can see, I'm saving my video now to a temporary directory, but when I'm done with it, I need to delete it. So I need to clean up this. So we need also another function. So private func clean up temporary file, and it will take the URL of this file to delete it. Okay, it will be do try and catch, and we will have fatal error with a message failed to remove video, and we display the error, and here it will be try file manager dot default dot remove item at URL. We will also need to make create video URL equal nil and main text equal an empty string. Okay, so I think that's all we need. Okay, maybe if I go now to my load video, I need here to, what did I call it? Create video URL. Yes, I need to call, let me check what I call it, save data to temporary directory. So here I give equal save data to temporary directory, and I give it the data. That way create video URL now has a URL. So it's a URL, so all we need. Now if I go to my create post view, in the dismiss part, okay, you see when I click on arrow.left, I dismiss. I need to do a check. So if let create video URL equal video dot equal view model dot create video URL. Okay, in that case, it means it's not nil. I need to call view model dot clean up. Okay, and I made a mistake to make it private. It should not be private, so I can call it from create post view. So dot clean up temporary file URL, and I will give it create video URL. Okay, perfect. If I test now, it should be working the way I want to. So let's wait for it. Okay, finger crossed, everything will be working the way we want to. So if I click on what's on your mind, I will write my first uploaded video, and if I click here, I can choose a video. I choose the tiger, and as you can see, I can watch the video, stop it the way I wanted. The video was uploaded, which is perfect. I think I'm pretty happy with what we achieved. Something really important now here to test. If I click on arrow.left, we dismiss our I forgot, sorry, the name, our view. If I click on this one, I should not have the video or the text. Okay, perfect, the way we want it. In the next video, we will upload our video to Firebase, but in the meantime, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.